let us see how can we change the tense. The change of tense. The change of tense. The change of tense from direct to indirect. We know if in the direct, this is direct and this is indirect. In the direct narration, if there is am, is, are, it will be changed into was, were. It will be changed into was, were. Direct narration will be changed into was, were. Direct narration will be changed into was, were. If there is was or were in the direct narration, in the indirect narration it will be changed into had been. It will be changed into had been. It will be changed into had been. If there is have or has in the direct narration, it will be changed into had. It will be changed into had. If there is shall or will, it will be changed into should or would. Should or would. If there is can, it can be changed into could. It can be changed into could. If there is must will be changed into had to. Must will be changed into had to. And if there is ought to, the others will not change. Must will be changed into had to. I previously discussed that if the reporting verb is in the past form, reporting verb said or said to, then it will be changed. The tense will be changed. We must remember this. Must will be changed into had to. Then if there is present indefinite tense, verb is in the present form, present indefinite, it will be past indefinite. Past indefinite. Present indefinite, we know verb in the present form or s or es, then verb will be in the past form. Verb will be in the past form. If the sentence is in the past indefinite, then it will be changed into past perfect. Past perfect tense, past indefinite, verb in the past form. Verb in the past form. Verb in the past form. So it will be changed into past perfect. It will be changed into past perfect. Had plus verb past participle. Verb past participle. Verb in the form of past participle. Past participle. Then if there will I am repeating again. In the direct nation, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, then past form, then from direct to indirect, the tense will be changed into this according to the direction. These rules. Am is are will be changed into was were will be changed into had been. Have has will be changed into had. Shall will, should would. And when shall or will, we will find shall or will, but it is better to write would always. We should avoid should. Always we can write would. Must can will be changed into could. Must will be changed into had to. And if the verb is in the present form, then it will be a past form, and if the verb in the past form, the verb will be the past participle form. Now we will try to do some practice from this. We can write some example here. He said to me, I shall help you. I shall help you. So reporting verb is in the past tense, so we know said to will be changed into told, and there is object me, and reporting inverted comma that, and the person he, and shall will be changed into shall will, should or would. It is better to write would always. So he would help you, second person, so it will follow me, so me will be here. Let's see some rules of doing direct to indirect, some adverbs, some adjectives, and some verbs how can be changed into
into indirect we can see. So some adverbs, some adjectives, some verbs that can be changed into indirect we now will do here. In the direct to indirect, these adverbs, these adjectives will be changed into the other form. So today will be changed into that day. Today is adverb, so it will be changed into that day. Tomorrow will be changed into the next day or the following day. Tomorrow will be changed into the next day or the following day. Yesterday will be changed into the previous day. The previous day. Today will be changed into that day. Tomorrow will be changed into the next day or the following day. Yesterday will be changed into the previous day. This will be changed into that. This will be changed into that. This will be changed into, this is plural form, so it will be changed into those. Here is changed, will be changed into there. Thus into change into so. Thus, then so, either, that will be changed into neither. Either will be changed into neither. These are adverbs and we must change when we do it direct to change. We change is direct to indirect, then this word will be changed into that. Ago will be changed into before. Ago. Ago will be changed into before. Ago will be changed into before. Come, then come will be changed into go. Come. If the verb come, that in the indirect narration it will be changed into go. So some words, verbs are there that we sometimes confuse to do into indirect narration, and these are came or went. Came or went. We often confused this word. So came and went will is in the past form, and it is so it will be changed into had gone. It will be changed into had gone. Now is changed, will be changed into then. Now will be changed into then. These are adverbs we have discussed. So I repeat, these are adverbs or adjectives. Some adjectives are there and some verbs are there. So this in the indirect, when we do direct to indirect, when we change direct to indirect, then it will be changed that position. So today will be changed to that date. Yesterday will be changed to the previous day. This will be changed into that. This plural form, that into change into those. Here will be changed into there. Here will be changed into there. Thus into will be changed into so. Either will be changed into neither. Ago will be changed into before. Come will be changed into go. Came or went, this is verb and it is in the past form, so often we confuse. So came and when we find came and when, then it will be changed into had gone, and now will be changed into then.
Now let us see a chart. To change person. We know this is inverted comma and here is a sentence: subject, verb, object, full stop, and there is another sentence outside the reporting verb: subject, verb, sentence. Chart of change persons from direct to indirect. So if the reported speech, in the reported speech, the person is in the first person if the subject is first person, we know first person: I, we. This is first person subjective form: I, we. And if the subject I or we, then it will follow the subject, and the subject will be the object here, will be put here. Look at this very carefully. I am repeating again. If in the reported speech, if the subject is first person, I or we, then it must be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. I am showing with an arrow, so you must use this structure, and when we want to change into narration, then we must follow this type. And if the sentence, if the subject is second person, we know second person you or you, then it follow the object. And object will be the subject here. I repeat again. If the subject is first person, I or we, then it will be changed into according to the subject of the reporting verb, and the person will be the subject of here, or the person here according to the person of subject. The subject here will be sit. And if the subject is second person, then it will be changed according to object of the reporting verb. So here is any kind of person, that which person is there, it will be sit here, or we can put here this person. And similarly, if the object of the reported speech will be the first person, it will change according to the subject, and if it is the second person, then it will be changed into. I think we can understand from this chart, and if we practice this while doing changing narration, at first seeing the chart, we will try to do change narration, and after gradually will develop the change of persons.